The future is here, which means we can now have breakfast with tropical fish, relax at an underwater bar, and get our electricity from wave power. Ready to dive in? Today's video features the most impressive underwater technologies. KSOS is a swimsuit with a built-in rescue system. It's designed for children and activates in case of drowning, transforming into a life vest in about 5 seconds. It lifts the child to the surface and keeps them afloat for up to 2 hours. KSOS costs $51. Sea Flyboard is a game changer for underwater fun. No complicated instructions, just natural movements. Even a 7-year-old could get the hang of it. Tilt the wings down to dive up and to surface. It's easier than riding a bike and much more fun. Just look at those underwater flips. The board costs $215. No more wrist gadgets, just a mask and Maui. The world's first smart dive computer. It projects data right in front of your eyes. One glance gives you your depth, dive time, ascent speed, and much more. Do you think it's a smart solution? Share your thoughts in the comments. Need a reliable underwater assistant? The Blue IX-3 drone dives to 305 meters and runs for up to 5 hours on a single charge. You can attach a camera for filming, a sonar for scanning, or a grabber for retrieving objects. The possibilities are endless. The drone starts at $23,588. Tides are becoming the new gold of the energy world. Just look at the massive orbital marine O2 tidal power station in the UK. It harnesses the ocean's power to generate 2 megawatts, enough to supply energy to 2,000 households. A great example for other countries to follow. Jules Undersea Lodge is the world's first underwater hotel. It was built from a former research station and sits off the coast of Florida. Space is limited. The 2 rooms can accommodate a total of 6 guests. To reach them, you have to dive down about 7 meters. But the hotel offers a decent level of comfort, including a TV, a shower, and other modern amenities. It's even suitable for hosting special events like weddings. The ocean depths may soon become humanity's next home. Japan has unveiled Ocean Spiral, a conceptual underwater city designed for 5,000 residents. Picture this: a massive sphere 500 meters in diameter, filled with hotels and offices connected by a spiral corridor to research labs for kilometers below the surface. Ocean Spiral will be powered by differences in water temperature and by converting CO2 into methane. Would you want to live in a city like that? Ocean One is a robotic diver equipped with artificial intelligence, stereoscopic vision, and haptic feedback manipulators. It operates autonomously, but a human operator can take control at any moment. This technological marvel is already exploring Sunken ships, it was Ocean One that retrieved a vase from the flagship of King Louis XIV, which lies 100 meters underwater off the southern coast of France. Transport routes are heading underwater. The company Sea-Train is developing submersible trains that could transform the way goods move across oceans. These modular trains will operate autonomously, but with the option of manual control. They'll reach depths of up to 1.5 kilometers and deliver cargo 50% faster than traditional ships. The MSM-100 is a technological breakthrough for military use. This breathing system was developed in collaboration with the UK's Defence, Science and Technology Laboratory, and the Royal Norwegian Navy. Gives divers access to depths of 100 meters and ensures a continuous 6 hours of operation. Navo is the world's first dual-motor underwater scooter that can be controlled with one hand. It reaches speeds of up to 2 meters per second, works at depths of up to 40 meters, and runs for an hour on a single battery charge. No hassle with the camera. Set up thanks to the dedicated platform that keeps it secure and accessible. Navo is priced at $1,618. What can you see at the depth of 150 meters? With UU, the answer is everything. This dive light reveals the underwater world in stunning detail. With a brightness of 5,800 lumens, it's powerful, enough for archaeologists and cave diving enthusiasts. A full battery lasts up to 15 hours. UU starts at $69. Let's take a look at the Ultim Underwater Tablet. It's patented. Screen is ultra-sensitive to touch from fingers, gloves, or a stylus even at the depth of 150 meters. Thanks to its inert fluid system, divers don't need to recalibrate before diving or surfacing. Altair is available with Windows or Android. Supports Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and satellite navigation, and is designed for use by both civilians and security forces. The Marzu Dive Tracker turns every dive into a vivid digital story. Water temperature 20 degrees Celsius, depth 27 meters. Calories burns 200. This information is no longer just dry data. It becomes beautifully designed. Posts in the companion app. There you can connect with like-minded divers and also get tips for future dives. Based on the data it's collected, Mizzou is rated for depths of up to 100 meters. A single battery lasts for up to 120 dives. Prices start at $79. Swimmers know how tricky it is to track heart rates during training. That's where Aquapulse comes in. This heart rate monitor clips onto your swim cap or goggle strap and reads data from your earlobe. By tracking blood flow in the capillaries, both the frequency and volume of the alerts can be adjusted. Aquapulse costs $127. The Aquapulite One is a robotic cleaner that takes care of your pool floor and walls. Set it up using your smartphone, and it will handle the rest on its own. Aquapulite 1 is suitable for pools up to 5 meters deep and 25 meters long. It sells for $3,293. Imagine turning into a dolphin. A powerful push and the water parts before you. That's exactly how swimming with Omfi feels. By bending the fin, the swimmer activates 1 or 2 motors, which deliver serious speed even as a prototype. Omfi helps swimmers reach about 6 kilometers per hour, and the final version is aiming for 17 kilometers per hour. Shark Guard is a device that generates an electric field that repels sharks and rays, and it's ready for mass production. But why is it needed? It turns out sharks and rays often die during tuna fishing operations, drawn to the baited longline fishing hooks. With Shark Guard, the number of deaths drops by a staggering 91% and 71% respectively. Forget skyscrapers, the future belongs to ocean spheres. That's the idea behind the subbiosphere to concept city. 100 people will live in 8 spheres, each 340 meters in diameter. The 9th and largest sphere will house the systems that manage and control the city's resources, and supporting the whole structure are massive columns that will allow subbiosphere to move up and down like an elevator. Depth is no obstacle to perfect shots. Just place your camera in the 360 bubble housing. Not a single part of it gets in the way of your view. You get flawless 360-degree photos and videos with 0 obstructions. The standard version is rated for 30 meters, while the advanced version can handle 150 meters of depth. Prices start at $277. Feel like an underwater cameraman. The great Evergita mask gives you a distortion free 180-degree panoramic view, as if you're looking through a crystal clear window into the ocean. It features a foldable design and a built-in mount for your camera, all made for maximum comfort. Dive to 3 meters and capture footage that will wow your friends. The mask costs $46.